Hi, Mark Gill here with Plumber's Hero, the one product plumbers don't want you to see. Just press and unclog the mess. Watch again as Plumber's Hero completely annihilates the clog. It's that easy.
Snaking your drain is nasty. Calling a plumber is expensive. And if there's water on the floor, you can't wait anymore. Just press and unclog the mess. Plumber's Hero uses a unique formula that, when combined with water, uses that water as force to jet propel it through virtually any clog. It's safe for your pipes, unlike those harmful chemicals that even make you wait up to 8 hours. It even works right through a garbage disposal. Check this clog out. Veggie shavings, rice, grease, and coffee grounds.
With Plumber's Hero, you just press and unclog the mess.
Bathroom clogs are the worst. Hair ties, toothpaste, shaving gel, and hair.
But it's still no match for Plumber's Hero. And it's so easy to use, anyone can do it. Hit it, Mom.
Just press and unclog the mess.
Plumber's Hero has a shelf life of over 10 years. It's great for toilets, sinks, tubs, and shower drains, and works on all pipes. There's never a convenient time for a clog, so don't let it ruin your plans. Reach for your own plumber in a can. At an average cost of over $150 a visit by a plumber, you can spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars a year unclogging toilets and drains.
With over 20 uses per can, Plumber's Hero will take that money and put it right back in the bank.